Hi, Justin Labato here inside of Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here with special guest Bruno Massel. And we're showcasing the BLACKFIRE GLASSPRO Coating System. This is a two-part system that lays down on any of the glass of the vehicle for the exterior to help protect against the elements and inclement weather.
You know, preparation is key. You got to make sure you get all the loose debris and dirt off the surface first, and then it's wash, clay, polish, and then hit it with a BLACKFIRE paint prep. And application, that's critical.
It is, because that's something you need to work in small spaces, more of a 2x2 section. So what you'll do is you'll apply part 1 with, say, the red part of the applicator, and then part 2 with the black side of the applicator in that 2x2 section, and overlap that. That way you could cover the entirety of the glass that you're working with, and that will allow you to get the protection you need. For more information about the BLACKFIRE GLASSPRO Coating System, visit Autogeek.com.